So today, before I start talking about a wider and important philosophical question, I'm going to talk about the problem of commemorative benches, which I spotted only a week ago. Okay? Now, I've got a flat in Deal down on the Kent coast. And one thing Deal doesn't have a problem with is places to sit. In fact, the capacity of the commemorative benches along the seafront probably exceeds the population of the town, even at peak season. Okay? By contrast, when I go to London Bridge Station, which costs something like £750 million, there's absolutely nowhere to sit. And I was trying to work out why this complete uneven distribution was occurring. And I realised there's a feedback loop, isn't there, right? Because if you look at commemorative benches, there's a fundamental logical problem. What they typically say is, in memory of Uncle Bob, dates, who always loved sitting in this spot, right? Now, I don't know if you've spotted this slight problem. I don't like to pick apart the thought processes of the recently bereaved. But the very fact that he loved sitting in this spot probably means that there was already a place to sit, okay? And therefore, by definition, that is not a place where you need to supply a chair. By contrast, okay, places where you don't love sitting because there's nowhere to sit are completely unfurnished. So I think what we need to do is just rewrite that line, okay? And my children have instructions that if ever I die, there's going to be a bench at platform 5 of London Bridge Station, and it says, in memory of Rory Sutherland, who could never find anywhere to fucking sit here. Now, you can solve problems, but you've got to spot them first. You've got to spot the asymmetries, the inequalities, the disproportionate attention given to one thing rather than another.